In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track locked funds during staking. When you stake crypto, it's totally normal for some or all of your balance to become locked. That behavior is set by the blockchain itself, not by your wallet or exchange. Here's how to see exactly where your funds are and what stage they're in, so you always know what to expect. Start by opening your assets. Choose the cryptocurrency you're staking, like Ethereum, then scroll down to the staking section. This area gives you a snapshot of your current status at a glance. If you have multiple staking positions, pick the one you want to review. If you don't see the staking section right away, pull to refresh or make sure your app is up to date. Next, get familiar with the three statuses you'll encounter. When you see staked, your funds are actively participating in the network and earning rewards. They can't be sold or transferred while they're staked. If the status shows pending unstake or locked, you've requested to exit staking and the funds are now in the network's unlock queue. During this period, they usually stop earning rewards, and the wait time depends on the specific blockchain and current network demand. Finally, when you see available or unstaked, your funds are fully unlocked and can be sold, sent, or restaked right away. By the way, if you need the app or web dashboard I'm using, you'll find the download link and the website link at the very top of the description so you can follow along. Back in the staking section, look for a line that says pending to unstake. This is a clear confirmation that your funds are in the exit queue. It doesn't mean they're missing. It simply indicates they're working through the protocol's required waiting period. You may also notice small fluctuations due to reward settlements, which is normal. To dive deeper, scroll to transactions. Look for entries like staking initiated, unstaking initiated, and unstaking completed. Tap any entry to view timestamps and status updates. This timeline helps you estimate where you are in the process and when funds might become available, keeping in mind that congestion or protocol rules can extend wait times. For a full picture, open Balance Summary. Here you can view your total balance, compare locked versus unlocked funds, and see how your balance has changed over time. This view often explains why an amount isn't available yet, even if it appears in your total. Remember, locked funds are a standard part of staking. Unlock timing is controlled by the blockchain, not the exchange, and smaller balances can take a bit longer to reflect updates. Locked does not mean lost. Thanks for watching.